Hello, at this Bandung Creative Movement 2021 conference event. My name is Andrianto. As author from Telkom University, Bandung, Indonesia, will present my design. The title is Designing Multifunctional Quran Stand to Support Recitation Activity for the Student in Islamic Boarding Schools, case study of Al-Khalili Islamic Boarding School at Bandung District. Islamic boarding schools, which are part of Indonesian education, must maintain their existence so they can continue their role in increasing human and agency of academic skills. One of them is the Al-Khalili Islamic Boarding School, which is an Islamic educational foundation that takes part in create a sustainable generation of the Quran so they can be more grounded and produce quality, good morals, and success in the hereafter. Al-Khalili Islamic Boarding School, throughout their history, have played a major role in effort to improve increasing human and agency of academic skill. In order to face competition and maintain its existence, it's necessary to be supported by the existence of activity supporting facilities so that routine activity can run comfortably. The method used in designing multifunctional Quran stand is a case studies method that comes from the situation and needs in Islamic boarding schools related to routine activities that are usually carried out at Al-Khalili Islamic boarding schools in depth. By using a qualitative approach in an effort to understand the needs of reciting activities the student, starting from the direct observation of Al-Khalili Islamic boarding school to observe the behavior of students while reciting, what is the size of the room, how many students are there, where is the storage placed, and so on. Then this data used as a material to find out problems and analyze design needs, then to be used as the basis for the design object. Based on the data collected from the observation process at the Al-Khalili Islamic boarding school, it was found the problem of limited space available by only having a room size of 9 square meters with 10 students, coupled with the large size of the Quran stand, which is 40 to 40 centimeters, that made the student recite activities at the Islamic boarding school very uncomfortable. Based on this problem, a complex running support tool is needed to support student reciting activities comfortably. In designing this multifunctional Quran stand, it refers to literature as a reference. For the function aspect, this Quran stand requires the criteria of multifunctional furniture by combining two functions into one. According to Akmal 2011, by combining two or more different functions in one product, a multifunctional furniture can be adapted to the needs of space so that it can support more complex activities in a limited space. Based on this multifunctional Quran stand has the main function as a support for the Quran when reciting and can be used as a tablet or smartphone holder when not in use for reciting. For the need for limited space, this multifunctional Quran stand is made with a knockdown system to make it practically in terms of storage. In terms of form, this multifunctional Quran stand applies geometric shapes with the consideration that shape is form that does not take up space and can follow its function, which according to Akmal 2011, multifunctional furniture can function effectively if in its design all forms are accordance with their function. The form will also affect the dimension used. From the initial data, it was found that the size of large stand does not meet the criteria of multifunctional size. For that, this stand uses a size that adjusts to the size of the Quran. Based on the aforementioned background, supporting facilities are needed that can adapt to existing conditions so that students at Islamic boarding schools can carry out reciting activities comfortably. Based on this, the design of this multifunctional Quran stand has the following conclusion. The design of this multifunctional Quran stand is a solution for students when conducting recitation activities and Islamic boarding school in a limited space. The design of this Quran stand uses the principle of multifunctionality in adjusting to a limited space by taking into account the size of the room and the number of users. The design of this multifunctional Quran stand uses the concept of a small space through aspect of function, form, and material. The design of this multifunctional Quran stand can optimize the use of space where furniture can be used for than one activity. The design of this multifunctional current stand apply a simple shape to the fit of criteria of multifunctionality by maximizing product size and practicality of storage. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for the opportunity. See you next time.